Mark and I have never had a garden in this backyard because we love going to the farmers market and love supporting the local farmers. This year we had some time on our hands and we thought, let's give it a try. So we did some research and decided to build a raised bed. Mark built it. We decided on a 4x8 bed, and he ordered cedar. Why? Because it is more weather resistant. He had a great time building it, and it was a lot of fun to watch it come together. We had to choose a place to put the bed because it needed to have sunlight for at least 8 hours a day. We found the perfect spot. We have a friend who grew up on a farm, and I asked him what dirt should I use. He told me to order super sod. He said you cannot fail with this dirt. But before we put the dirt in, we had decided that we were going to put a liner in so that we could prevent weeds from coming up. And then Mark had a great time on his John Deere tractor hauling the dirt down to the bed. The vegetables we decided that we were going to try are 2 types of tomatoes, bell peppers, kale, squash, and some pickling cucumbers. We also realized that we wanted to do a number of things. We wanted to have everything we might need as the plants grow. So we have tomato stakes, we have some cages in case we need those, hopefully we will, and we also have a trellis for the cucumbers to climb onto. And lastly, we decided we needed some kind of fencing around the bed to help prevent animals from getting to the plants. Supersod also has these smaller fabric planters, and they gave us one so that we could show you how you could have a smaller garden in your backyard if you don't have a lot of space. So it's fun to come down to the garden and see how things are doing. These vegetables right now have been here about a week and a half, and everything is really doing well. We chose a great spot. We're watching it to make sure it gets lots of sunlight, and we can't wait to show you how our garden grows.